I ride, I slide back my roof. You got some time, I'm tryna slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can, but not I'm that dude. Cause you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood. You probably never in your life thought that you would hear somebody talk the way that I talk, or see somebody that could walk the way that I walk. I feel the same about you. I like it when you do what you do, and I don't really need a reason to turn it up and take over the whole.
A lot of my days, for the most part, starts in New York City. Whether I like it or not, I get up around 5 o'clock in the morning. Always get out on the right foot. Right foot is the first thing that touches the ground. Jump in the shower. Shower is like the kickstarter for the day. I meditate a little bit. I'm doing intense training. Probably do around 6 meals a day. When I'm training, I'll drink about 1.5 gallons of water a day. I got a gym in my house, so I usually just head downstairs and work out. So I like circuits. You know, you get in and out. You know, you work out for like 45 minutes, and you know, you get showering. My thing is, I probably work out maybe 2 to 3 times a day. You know, if I have a goal, then we'll do a lot of like, you know, weight training and boxing and working out around what a boxer would actually do. If I'm doing something like Killmonger for Black Panther, it'd be more massive. It'd be more weight training, trying to get bigger. So it just also all depends on what I'm.
Just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what.
Do you know how to iron?
I love iron.
Do you?
I do. I've done pretty well in the female department growing up.
Is this a new thing? Did you get this just for the movie? Have you always been this built?
I kind of was born just like that.
I love my parents, you know, but we have a roommate relationship right now, which is interesting, you know? Just the random run-ins that just might be a little uncomfortable from time to time.
Naked?
Sometimes shirtless, maybe a little naked.
A little naked?
Maybe a little naked.
Who's more apt to just walk around half naked?
I don't even, probably me. I don't really like clothes like that anyway, as far as like, any chance I get, it's like, whatever.
You had a beard, just a little more than you have now.
We don't have to bring that up right now. During my research, in my teenage years, women like that little stubble, that new growth, that dangerous look. I can't grow a beard. I can't really connect. I mean, it's a little patchy.
How can this nice guy be a bad guy?
See, that's what I'm saying. I said, I'm not smiling no more. I'm going on smile strike.
Wait, are we not going to get that smile at all?
Dimples are gone, all right? No teeth, no dimples till January. Technically I'm single. Dating, but, technically.
You haven't found that one yet.
And that was an old interview, but we're going to leave all that. It's all good.
Okay, we're gonna leave that.